Have you ever met someone and instantly decided whether you liked them or not? The surprising part is, most people form a first impression in just a few seconds. And once that impression is created, it's surprisingly difficult to change. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive clothes, perfect looks, or a loud personality to make a great first impression. You just need to understand a little psychology. The first thing people notice isn't what you say. It's how you carry yourself. If you walk into a room looking nervous, avoiding eye contact, and staring at the floor, people may assume you're unsure of yourself, even if you're incredibly talented. On the other hand, someone who stands tall, walks calmly, and makes natural eye contact often appears more confident before saying a single word. That's the power of body language. Next comes your smile. A genuine smile tells people you're friendly, approachable, and confident. It makes others feel comfortable around you. But don't force it. A natural smile is always more powerful than a fake one. Another mistake many people make is trying to impress everyone by talking too much. The truth is, people usually remember how you made them feel, not how much you talked. The best communicators aren't always the loudest. They're the best listeners. When someone speaks, give them your full attention. Maintain eye contact. Nod naturally. Ask simple questions like, "That's interesting. Tell me more." These small actions make people feel respected. And when people feel respected, they naturally enjoy being around you. There's one more secret. Never rush. Confident people don't hurry every movement. They speak clearly. They pause before answering. They stay calm under pressure. That calmness makes others trust them more. Remember, confidence isn't about trying to look important. It's about making other people feel comfortable. So the next time you meet someone, stand tall, smile naturally, listen more than you speak, and stay calm. These simple habits can completely change the first impression you leave. Because first impressions don't happen by accident. They're built by small actions that anyone can learn. If you found this helpful, subscribe to The Soul of Success for more psychology, confidence, and self-improvement videos. Remember, you never get a second chance to make a first impression, so make the first one count.